right, heads up guys, look over here. We are doing our math time in Miss Williams' class. We just finished up our lovely little video where we used go ahead Riley, tell me, what did we do?
We used fireprints to tell the equation.
Right, and
solve the problem.
We had to solve the problem. What was the problem? Paul, what was the problem? What was the question?
They didn't know how many people were sitting on the rug.
Very right. We had to evaluate how many people were there, and then what happened? Did more people come or did some people leave?
More people came.
More people came, you're right. So we started off with two kids at the carpet, and then what happened?
One.
We added one more. And what equation does that give us?
2 plus 1 equals 3.
Very good. Aiden, I want you to be focused and attending. So we have that equation. Now, look at our board, up here on our board. We have been talking about equations for some time, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. And there are equations that have subtraction and equations that have addition.
Yes.
Now, we are going to be looking at that today, and we're going to talk about a new thing. A new thing. We're going to be talking about how to balance our equation. Now, pair share, what do you think a balanced equation means? Pair share. Oh, I hear some good chatting. Aiden, you need to join and participate. Sora will have to take points off. Join and participate. Oh, some people have their hand up. They're ready to contribute. Aiden, that's -1 point, sir. I expect you to participate. Pair share. All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ella, my dear. Ella, what do you think a balanced equation might mean? What does balance mean?
Balance means that, like, what if you're on the balance beam and you're getting off balance? Like, you have to balance yourself. Like, because, like, if you fall off it, you wouldn't be on balance.
Right, that's one meaning for balance. Now, think back, guys. We used the balancing scale. And what happens to the scale if one side has more mass than the other?
It would go down.
The side with the more mass, the greater mass, is going to go down. And what about the side with the lighter mass? What is it going to do?
Up.
Now, what happens when they're both balanced? They'll be the same. What's the word that I like in math that means the same? Equal. No, now listen. Equal. That means both sides have the same value. They're going to balance out. They'll be equal. They'll be the same. So, balanced equation means that both sides are
Balanced.
equal. They're both the same. All right, guys, I'm going to show you some examples of how to balance your equations, and then we're going to continue on with our math.